Hi, teacher. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. It depends on the time you're watching this video. And I'm going to talk to you about how to use emotion to teach and learn. Scarlett is supposed to be with me, but she's doing something and she's going to do it later on. But we have to talk about the same topic. She's going to continue. Well, and Wanda is there just helping me to show the diapositiva, to helping me to make my presentation better so I can develop better. And in this video, we are going to explore, of course, the importance of emotions in the learning process, as well as to use them to teach and learn. And you can go to the next one, Wanda. Emotions plays a crucial role in our ability to absorb and retain information. When we feel motivated and emotionally engaged with what we are learning, we are more likely to pay attention and make a bigger effort to understand what we are doing in the classroom. That's just one point for why it's important to use as teachers emotions in our class and implemented it in our activities. And oh, that's the importance. I said the importance already. So you can go to the next one for me to talk about. Go to the next one. Yeah, to talk about the examples or some examples of how emotions affect learning. And when a student feels overwhelmed, the first one is when a student feels overwhelmed by anxiety during a test. They may struggle to recall the information they studied. Similarly, when a teacher, the other one is similarly when a teacher employs exciting and engaging activities in the classroom. Students are more engaged to receive, to learn. Another example, which is more personal because it's an experience I recently went through. Well, I was in class and everything was okay. Everything was normal until my sister called me and she told me about some bad news regarding to my family. After that, I couldn't concentrate anymore on the class until I got home and I see that everything was okay, more or less. But what I want to say is, first in the class, I was okay. I was normal, so I was focused on what the teacher was saying. But then I received this call from my sister, who told me that something went wrong with a member of my family. So I was like, I had anxiety immediately. I got worried too, so I couldn't concentrate me anymore in the classroom. That's another example of the importance of emotions in our learning process. And go to the next, please. Great, thank you. Yeah, benefits of integrating connect emotions into teachings, emotions. Well, creating an emotionally safe and simulating learning environment has numerous advantage for students. When emotions are effectively incorporated in teaching, it can significantly enhance emotions, engagement, and information retention among students. By fostering emotional connections with the study material, learning becomes more meaningful and relevant to a student's life. So in the next one, please. Now let's talk about strategies. Next one, yeah, strategies to engage students emotionally. Here I find those example of strategies to engage students emotionally in our activities. And the first one is utilize utilize, I don't know how to pronounce that, compelling stories. Incorporate emotionally engaging narratives that resonate with the students' experience and interests. So, because stories can captivate students' attention and evoke empathy too, helping them connect with the subject matter on a deeper level. And the other one is interactive activities. And we have to implement interactive activities such as group discussions, role-playing exercise, and hands-on projects. These activities encourage active participation and collaboration, fostering a sense of ownership and investment in the learning process. And the last one is stimulating debates. Honestly and personally, I don't like debates. I hate the competence. I hate that, but as teacher, I have to use it, and I'm going to use it just as a teacher. But as a student, I don't like debates. And well, stimulating debates, basically. Organize debates on relevant and controversial topics to encourage critical thinking and emotional engagement. Debates provide the student with opportunities to express their opinion, challenge assumptions, and develop persuasive arguments, which is very important in those times in the life. All of which contribute to emotional involvement in the subject matter. And go to the next one, please. I think this one is the last topic that I'm going to talk about. Then Scarlett is going to continue. Practical tips for teachers and students. So I find some tips for the teacher and also for the students. The first one is recognizing and managing emotions. Encourage teachers and students to develop awareness of their emotions and recognize how they impact learning and interaction in the classroom. Provide strategies for managing emotions effectively, such as taking deep breath, practicing mindfulness, or taking short breaks when feeling overwhelmed. I really suggest to students and teachers too that when you are working or studying and you feel already overwhelmed, you have to take a break. You have to take a break to chill out, to botar el estrés, to feel better, and then you can come back and continue with whatever you were doing, and then you will see that you're going to do it better, because feeling overwhelmed can make you work not that good. And cultivating empathy and mutual respect. This is very important because we have to emphasize the importance of empathy and understanding towards others' emotion and perspectives. Encourage teachers to foster a classroom culture and values, inclusivity, kindness, and respect for diversity. A student can actively practice empathy by actively listening to their peers, fostering support, and considering different viewpoints too. And the last one is open and honest communication. And I think this one can be applied to every context you are through. I think I said it right. I think I said it well, because you can apply it to a relationship, in your business. I think so. Apply it, of course, in the context of education, because promotes an open and honest communication between teacher and student regarding emotions and emotional well-being. encourage students to express their feelings openly and provide a supportive environment where they feel comfortable sharing their concerns or struggles. Teachers can model effective communications by being approachable, empathetic, and responsive to students' emotional needs. So, then Scarlett is going to continue with the other topic from this main topic, which is how to use emotions to teach and learn, which is very important and is interesting to know. And I just finished. Thank you.